been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Guys, oh my gosh, it's hailing outside. Do you see this? Holy, we're getting a storm. It's hailing. I just hear the ice, like the hail dropping on this. Huh? Yeah. Let me see if I could catch you guys any. Oh man, then I melt too fast. I ripped that. That's not ripped down. Good morning, Williams fam. Oh Lord, I am actually trying to put my shoes on. I'm trying to put my shoes on. But yeah, I'll figure out runouts. I gotta go run some quick errands on the side. It's Mr. Williams' birthday tomorrow and our anniversary, so I gotta go get glam. And here he is out there being annoying. Can you stop that, Mario? All right, so we're heading. So we're heading out just now. Miss Maisie, have it. Where do it machete? Ask Memphis. Memphis! Okay, guys.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that...
Hey guys, so I just finished getting my nails done. So I got my nails done. I just got natural nude color, nothing too dramatic. I just wanted some natural nude nails. Well, actually I wanted white, but I didn't have it, so I just got the natural nude. And these are my real nails, guys. I just filed them down a bit, and yeah, and I got my toes them done as well. And so the hair, you know, I'm about to go home and slay my hair. Yeah, so I'm going to slay my hair myself, and you guys are just gonna have to wait for the finished look. So we are currently on our way home now, and I finally, oh my gosh, picked up what I've been waiting for. It finally came through. We got it. God is good. It's been a long time coming, but it's finally done and out the way. But yeah, that's something I'm just gonna kind of have to keep on a hush hush for now. Maybe later on you guys will find out, but not right now. I just gotta keep that one on a hush hush. So yeah, I'm about to go drink some water. It was raining down here, but it looked like it stopped rain. So
just in the rain hard.
Oh, it didn't rain that hard?
We ain't even on the run. In a run?
Run, no, we did inside.
We eyelashing.
Yeah, so
You ever see a snowball on that?
so now, well, I guess, what are you wearing tomorrow? Are you didn't figure out what you're wearing yet? So I think I have my outfit for tomorrow. I have a couple of one or two things I could wear, so that is good. So I may have that kind of lined up in that sense. But yeah, we're coming out of town now. We're gonna stop at KFC.
I must say the KFC line, you know.
And get the kids in some KFC. So because for Mr. Memphis, he didn't want much. Like him say, he, you know, Faith graduate, guys. So proud of them. Like, proud. They did really good. Faith graduate. She got a couple of awards, which is really good. She doubt herself, but I always tell her, I said, stop doubting yourself. She just doubt herself. Like, she was so nervous about her marks. When I looked at them, they were good. She's like, wow, I did better than I thought. But they didn't want much. All they want KFC. But even though we'll get them KFC, but later on we'll get them something else. Memphis made it to the honor roll for the second time in a year. So that is, you know, good for a boy his age. You know, as I always tell him, I say it's always better to get good grades more than rally with the wrong crowd, and because you're hanging out with the wrong crowd, you're dumbing down your mark. Never try and do that to please anybody, because at the end of the day, you go dummy down yourself, and when it comes time to you to switch up the type of friends that you hang out with, it might be not as good for you when you're ready to go get into college or university. So I say continue to keep your marks high, and don't let anybody make you feel like you have to, what you call it, dummy down yourself in that sense. Because you do have kids out there that are very smart, but because sometimes they hang out with the wrong crowd of people, they feel like, oh, they have to shave down their mark and stuff like that. So I'm very much so proud of him for doing that. But they're doing good things. So we're just gonna go celebrate and get them. Now got a little bit of surprise for them. So we're gonna go do that. So today's been a very productive day, I must say. Very productive day. What do you mean why? Eh? What do you mean why, Mr. Williams? Ask people if you have to put on seatbelt.
Do I have to put seatbelt on?
Tell him to put your seatbelt on. Yes, put your seatbelt on. Safety first.
Moving from one store to the next.
It doesn't matter. Well, you're not coming out of the car. You're going through the drive-thru. You're going through the drive-thru. Oh man. So, well, the plans that we kind of had switched, which I wish we were doing something else, but you know, sometimes you gotta switch up things. But that's okay. Next time it will be better. We're just gonna keep it something simple. We have so much things that we still got to get done. Best Buy. Are they gone?
What?
The things them. Oh, they do 100% financing.
Yeah, the job gone.
I want this and then this one. 3. So they have one Nissan and so. Guys, we in the KFC line. Man, the line is.
Yeah, laugh.
What do you mean? Mario wanted to leave. You see how far the line is? There's high-low there. And we are coming from back. Let me see. Not even can't even see way back there. Down there somewhere. We're coming from. I just make it up here. I wasn't even vlogging before. But Maria see the line and said, Shan, really I come wait in this line. I look and there's a line up outside. It was longer than that. So there was about 10 people out of the line. The line was like way back here. So but at least the people them gone in. But yeah. This is why some people are afraid to come to KFC, because the line is always so long. But the kids them want KFC. KFC. See, look, you have something to keep you occupied. Schnookums. Are you gonna go line up? When you
Right.
go?
Line up.
Yes, you need to line up. What do you mean you look like you want to line up? You're gonna.
Me in a line already. No line this me.
No, me I talk about your face. You're gonna line up yourself. You look,
line up.
you know, hear a woman in line say, Baba, him look like you want to line up. He's gonna line up. You're not gonna look like this for your birthday and your anniversary tomorrow. You try and make sure you go line up yourself.
I'm on that little man dog.
Well, at least you look young. I go line up yourself tomorrow and look spiffy. Right, babes?
Nothing wrong with me.
Wait, me nothing wrong with you. Hello, me tell say I go line up. I like seeing a man clean shave. Ladies, don't get me wrong.
You ever see me
Oh,
clean shave?
like when them nicely groomed. Me sorry, me not care what age you be. I hate seeing guys look scruffy. For me, I don't know, it's just like a turn off. And me love like when me see my husband face like nice and line up, and them hair line up and shave and just, you know, just look nice. I love seeing man looking like that. I hate seeing man scruffy and then just bearded up. And like, if you have a beard, line up yourself, make your goatee, however you have your beard, make it look nice. And it's just like a woman, just as much as a woman put herself.
Line up too.
No, but me I say just as a woman put themselves together. Like me, when I look a certain way, I hate looking a certain way when my hair is not right or my nails them look chaka. Like, I don't like it. Me like when my hair look good, like I drive. When I get my eyebrows them done. Me a frightened you know say disgusting.
You see you gonna make a shower like
Crashing hour. In my security guard.
Move up. Where you coming from?
Or like when a lady, you put yourself together, whether you get your nails done, even if you just shape them and paint them. You're so disgusting.
Yeah, look on my foot.
Hmm? Who lick up on your foot?
Yeah.
No, me lick up on your foot, so me lick up on your foot there. so
So
disgusting. Well, a good thing are you behind the steering wheel and not me. And yeah, I mean, always love see a man. And even if a man, if you have braids, freshly braid up your hair. When you see your hair, they get rough. Like, this is why, like, when I put in like twists in my hair or braids and I see like it growing out and it just look bad, me don't like it. Anytime my hair starts getting rotty or naughty, look like bird's nest, as Mario call it with him rude self, and him always look, and he will be rude enough, you know, to come style me and say, Shan, why you look so? You can't do something with yourself. So it's the same way I should be able to say, Mario, why you look so? You need to fix up. The only reason you don't really look no way now is because you shaved up your face. But you go look much more handsomer than you already are when you line up Tomorrow. Well,
Nothing
today.
upon my head for line up.
Something up on your head for line up. You don't have to shave your hair no. Just line out. Don't play with me. You go line out yourself properly.
That stress me out.
Well, that's okay. I'm if you stress you out on nobody
I
else.
don't want nobody at all stress me out.
It's your
I don't
face.
like stress. I don't go stress good enough.
You not hunger stress good?
Me,
Yeah, you hunger stress well.
me mad out.
Yeah, mad out yourself. If you're not mad out already, you're not mad out again. Trust me. What we've been through, if you're not mad out yet, you're not mad out again.
Yeah,
What?
sometimes I simplest thing mad you. Sometimes I feel say what would I mad you?
I know it mad
I
you.
know it mad you.
So
Sometimes something simple.
I go mad you. I go mad you. Well, me mad out and me come back already.
So when first me know that.
Eh? So you know so I'm mad for a long time.
No, since me know you.
Yeah.
Oh, because if you're mad one time, you know, you still mad, me still there, you know, gone nowhere.
Of course it's still there.
You just want chip.
So yeah, that's why I say I'm play with me because my head chip. Me just chip out and chip in.
Chip out and chip in. Running the backside.
Hello, you can't run with me
Why
now.
they can't run it? What am I doing foot them?
They'll do us part, so you and so what you think will go happen? You run with and left me. Me already mad already. What you think go happen now when you decide to run?
Nothing else can happen to you. Already mad already.
Alright, so you
The
know
horse already gone through the gate.
so that even better for me because then to go say, oh, I'm mad already. So anything happen to
So
you,
nothing
you know.
else can happen to you.
Then you're alright in that sense.
When-
Because since we're mad, you know, so anything happen to you, anything goes.
So when I sit down and make that happen to me,
Eh?
when I can't help myself, God say, He help who help themselves. So I can't sit down and know, say, yeah, you're mad and wait till something happen to me.
But we're lovers, so two mad people, you know.
Me no
know,
mad,
say we
you know?
make
Me
good
no
soup.
mad, me no mad yet.
Oh, what do you mean you're not mad yet?
Me yet.
That's yet. So that's okay, we can be mad together.
Me no mad yet. Until then.
Yeah. But then that's why you gotta, you see, cause me mad, you have to balance me out. That's why I got always one person when bad in the relationship. So the other person can balance out the mad one.
Keep the madness to yourself. No one know how mad madness.
Oh my
I
goodness.
play down party night.
You sure,
You know, people mustn't have no yard. They don't know part of the yard.
Then could I say the same thing about you in a line?
Crazy people don't come
Oh,
and
you
join
say-
me.
Oh wow, the line is all the way back there, guys. Let me see. You can't even see it. Correct. How much people in there? But guys, the audio is going in and out on this. Definitely when we go over, we gotta invest in a new camera and some hopefully better quality sound. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh man, it's dark out here. It was raining a little bit, but it stopped and it just looked gloomy. Can you guys believe, like, in less than what, we're what, in the 7th month now? In 4 months, guys, it's Christmas. Holy crap. And the year just start. 4 months and it's Christmas.
That me that you worry about. Me not worry about that. I snow me worry about.
The snow.
Me sure I do the opposite when you do me.
I know.
Me.
We should be just coming out here. We should just be coming home to Jamaica. No, actually no, not yet. We should be coming home in September. Like September, October time. We are go over in, oh Lord,
Put money in a sweater.
the winter. The winter. Oh man, I run from the winter over there. But I say, so I go. We just have to go and do what we need to do. Lord, I'm not looking forward to the cold at all. Not one bit.
Freeze off my skippies.
That's to freeze off your skibbies. I mean more for freeze off my skibbies
Why?
than you. What?
You
Why?
know too much years.
Why do I
You
feel
got
like
the-
I'm forgetting something? So what? Because I live overseas for how much years? What does that mean?
You
Listen, I've been over there from I was a little child. I will never get used to the cold. Never. From anybody when knowing me from I was a little child to now, they know so the same way me stay. When winter come, it's like a hibernate. Everybody always say, where's Shan? And then the ones that know me, they know for the ask for me during winter time. And any plans where they make, unless it's inside, they know so me not coming. Because I'm not really... Babes, you handle the cold better than me, and you've only been over there for a few years. You handle the cold better than me. Me I just can't deal with it. Can't. Imagine me live in Alaska. What do you mean? You live in Alaska, you know how Alaska cold all year round. It gets down to like minus 50 there, but it would be better. You can move to Alaska. The pay is good in Alaska, don't get me wrong. People will live out there on Yellowknife. The pay is good because you see them the far place where they don't even see sun or just snow all year round. They pay people good, but just because hardly anybody want to live up those ways. But the pay is great. But me, not a good thing, me not fussy about money and that. Me couldn't go and live. Them you know, drive up just because of money. Just because of money. But we just go wait until we end up get to the drive.
I know when that.
We so rich, man. We so rich. See, guys, we're not half a turn yet, but we're almost. See, and the building is over there. We're still a little bit ways, but we're getting there. Hey guys, well, I just reached home. I am exhausted, tired, and yeah, I still have to do my hair and go shower. Lord. And we're still undecided what we're going to do. So now, this is our dilemma. We undecided what we are planning on doing. But I'm home. And right now I forgot to set some things in order. I'm about to go give the kids them their food and stuff to eat. We stopped kind of getting ice cream and stuff like that. Yeah, we ended up, and we did some other stuff and I couldn't even vlog the process in the store and all that stuff there, so that's why. And plus your girl ain't trying to get no copyright, so that is why. Mr. Williams gonna pick up something. I don't know what I'm going to go do. And I'm still deciding what to get him. But if anything, I'm not going to be able to get his gift till he goes over. Anyways, because I ordered something for him, but he's not going to get it until he reaches over to get it, because it's not going to come in time. And you know, the whole shipping system out here is just different, so it's not going to come in time for him to actually get what I want to get for him. So but he'll be able to get it when he's over there. So I'm about to go eat first. Well, I'm debating whether to eat and then go shower or go shower and then eat. But anyways, I think I showed you guys my nails. So they're done. And I got my toes done as well. Same color. Just that nude natural was going for. Nothing more. You guys gonna get the pop in the fridge and get one of the get the other pop for me. That's what I want. I want the other one. No, I want the yellow one. I don't. The purple pop is too sweet. But anyways, guys, lighting's gone. But I am going to end the vlog here, and I guess I will catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Yeah, in tomorrow's vlog. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it's always a vibe over here. I know we've been MIA, but sometimes I just needed to take a break. Like, I literally took a break from social media, if you guys have noticed. And thank you for everybody that's checked up on us and asking if we're okay. We really appreciate it. Yes, we are okay, but sometimes you do need to clear your head, and I literally needed to clear my head. I just needed to take a break from social media, but that doesn't mean that I have not been vlogging. I have been vlogging somewhat just to keep you guys posted on what we've been doing. So, but you guys are gonna, when you see this vlog, it will be after Mario's birthday. So, well, after. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
A lot of rough fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day. You